What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And this video is going to be on posting CPA offers in Facebook groups don't work. Your offers don't convert. It's just a waste of time. Now, all of those statements were complete nonsense, but there are a lot of people who actually believe that, right? So that's what we're going to be going over in this video, guys. Why your CPA offers aren't converting, the whole 9 yards, right? So this is what the average person is doing. They're going into the making money online niche. So that's strike one, right? That's the worst niche to go into as a brand new person. Even if you're just doing CPA and you're just promoting making money online stuff. Worst thing you can do as a brand new person. Right. Number two, let's say you aren't doing CPA, and let's say you're doing like an MLM or something where people have to pay money, right? It doesn't matter if it's an MLM or people just have to sign up with a fee. They instantly assume that it's some type of pyramid scheme or whatever the case may be. All right. So that's strike two. You're already like going into a bad niche, and on top of that, you're going into a program or an MLM or a company or something where people have to pay money. Right now, it sounds super crazy to say that because, I mean, if you go to Walmart, you have to pay money. If you go to Target, you have to pay money. If you want to watch TV, you got to pay money. If you want to, watch Netflix, you got to pay money. If you want a pair of shoes, you got to pay money. If you want a pair of headphones, you got to pay money. But none of these are scams, right? But if you refer someone to a company, oh, that's a scam. No, my bad. If you refer someone online, then it's a scam, right? So you're going to have all of these people in these work from home groups and stuff like that. So worst thing you can do, guys, as a brand new person is go into the making money online niche. Stay away from the making money online niche. Okay, I'm telling you guys, once you get away from the making money online niche, you're going to make so much more money. You're not going to have to worry about people, oh, how much does it cost? Or what's the upfront cost? Or what is this? Or what is that? Or any of this type of stuff, or comment scam under your post. Nope, you're never going to get any of that, right? Because it's easier to give someone, just a simple product than it is to try to convince someone to make money. Let's say someone has $100, right? What are they more likely to do? Go buy a $100 course to learn how they can take that money and double it and triple it, or make hundreds of thousands of dollars, over the next coming years? Or are they going to go buy a pair of headphones and then not make any money at all? They're going to go buy a pair of headphones. They're going to go buy a 30-inch TV. They're going to go buy a pair of shoes. They're going to go buy all this stuff or whatnot that will literally never make them any money. But they'll call whatever it is you're promoting a scam. Now, these people are in the work from home groups. Now you're like, wait, DeAngelo, I thought these were all making money online people. I thought we were all business owners. Now, that's true, but it's not true. Literally 99% of the people who are in these making money online groups don't make any money, right? Like, just think about it. These people refuse to buy a course. Like, really. Like, you're like, oh, I can't make any money online. But you refuse to learn from someone who is. Got the money, and you just simply refuse not to do it. Oh, I need to see reviews. I need to see this. I need to see that. Why? You don't need to see reviews for half of the stuff you buy that aren't going to make you a dime. Waste money every single day on McDonald's, Starbucks, all this stuff that's literally killing you. There are people spend more money on cigarettes in a month than it would cost them to buy a course. There are people who spend more money on lottery tickets trying to make money, but refuse to actually do any work for it. They want the chance to win money, right? So you got all these regular people inside these work from home groups. Now, the reason this whole dragged out, a little early intro, whatnot, to get you guys to understand is that those people aren't going to convert in CPA offers. In the making money online groups, they're going to report your ads. They're going to do all that because they got that crab mentality. They don't want you to get ahead. So they got to report your CPA offer because they might be in CPA. So they got to report yours so yours can get taken down. Like, you got to go through all of this stuff when it comes to posting posting in the making money online groups, the making money online niche. Right now, I'm not saying this doesn't work. Because, obviously it does work, but you are going to go up on an uphill battle. Your account might get locked for a couple of days or a couple of hours. You're going to get it put in Facebook jail. Whatever the case may be, it's going to happen in the making money online niche. That's just going to happen, right? Now, let's say you go into a completely different niche. Let's say instead of promoting the CPA offer in the make money online niche, you promote a CPA offer for like those Apple AirPod headphones. Now, I don't know if there is one. I'm just saying, right? Let's say they were on sale for like $99 or something like that, or they were selling for 180, and you were just gonna get like $30 off, the top or whatever, right? Whatever the case may be, right? How many sales are you gonna get? A crap ton. How many people are going to comment, scam, this is a scam, it doesn't work. I never got my AirPods. If the person you're actually referring them to is like an actual business, like let's say like Amazon, for example, right? Let's say you're promoting Amazon links or whatever, and then you have them sent over there and people buy them from Amazon. Obviously, for a fact they're getting them. So you're not going to get any of those, oh, this is a scam, this doesn't work, and all this stuff, right? People are going to pull out the money. Where do I go get them? Oh, I got $100 right now. Where can I go get those AirPods? Where can I go get that TV? Where can I go get those shoes? Oh, I got $100 right now. But if you say anything about the making money online niche, oh no, it's gonna be too I don't have the money for that. I have to do this with it. I have to go and do this for my kids. I have to do. You're gonna get every excuse in the book on why they can't make more money. Oh, I can't do it because I got SSI and all this stuff. People would rather live on $800 a month than learn how to make thousands of dollars every single month and depend on themselves. They would rather depend on the government for $800 and depend on themselves and make thousands of dollars. That's mind blowing. All right. But yeah, guys, the reason why your ads are not converting is going to be 99% of the reason with the niche you're in. And I can almost guarantee 100% you are in the making money online niche. It's just that simple. All right. So some other things, now this is going to be some other stuff for the people who are not in the making money online niche and for whatever reason they aren't converting, right? So if you, let's say, aren't in the making money online niche and your ads aren't converting, one, you need to check your CPA offer. Now, this is some basic stuff, but believe it or not, this happens quite often. Your CPA offer might not be working. Like legit, like literally just might not be working. Let's say you're promoting a CPA offer for some dog food, right? And then, you click the link and it goes to a dolphin page or something like that, right? It will never convert. Like, how many people who own dogs own a dolphin? Because that's like night and day. Like, what are you doing? It's a dolphin, right? Your stuff is not going to convert. Just that simple. All right. Two is, test your landing page. A lot of people don't test their landing page. Like, test your landing page. Get you, go to linkbreaker.com, get you 2 links or whatnot, put them in there, and then just see which one, gets better conversions, which one gets more clicks, the whole 9 yards. You literally just start trying to test something out. Even if you can't, buy something like CPV Labs or something like that. Test it out, okay, guys? Test your landing page. Another thing is, test different landing pages. Test different offers. Let's say you got 2 offers with the dog food or whatever, right? Test both of them. See which one gives you the better conversions, right? Then go from there and test it on different networks. That's the whole thing of being a marketer, guys, is that you have to test. Okay, it doesn't matter if the traffic is free. It doesn't matter if the traffic is paid. Well, with free traffic, you normally don't have to test because it's all free. So what's the point? Like trying to optimize free traffic. That's how most people look at it. But at the end of the day, you're not paying for it, so why does it matter, right? But if you aren't getting like any conversions or very little conversions, you want to test your landing page. Maybe people are just going to let's say you get like 100 clicks, right, a day for free, and then 90% of them go to the landing page. Now, depending on which niche you're in, probably not going to be that high, right? But let's say, obviously, 100 clicks, you're going to get 100, clicks to the landing page. But let's say 90% of them don't go to the offer. Let's say they go to the landing page and then it stops right there, right? And then only 10 people actually click on the landing page to go to the offer. And then from there, you get like 3 of your conversions or whatever, and the CPA network takes like 10. It takes the other 7 or whatever. Because literally that's how it goes. But yeah, so that for a fact right there is that the landing page is definitely messed up. It's not converting because literally 90% of your people are not going to the offer, right? Only 10% is. So let's say you make a new landing page and then like 60% of the people go to the offer, right? Or don't go or whatever, right? And then you test it some more and then like 30% of the people, go through the offer. So now instead of getting like 7 clicks, now you're getting 70 clicks. You know what I'm saying? So it's really just all about testing, guys. So if you are, again, in another niche and you are having a hard time with conversions and stuff like that, and you aren't making that much money, or you aren't even getting any clicks, join different groups, guys. That's the main things. Make sure you aren't in dead groups. Some groups are just dead. It's just that simple, right? And if you're getting clicked from groups, and kicked out of groups and stuff like that, don't promote anything that's a scam. It's just that simple. If you like, oh, this win a free iPhone offer, you know damn well those people are not gonna get a free iPhone unless they complete this offer, 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 this offer. So I mean, they're gonna have to go through a million and one different things just to go through and just to go and get those little offers or whatnot. So guys, it's just not worth promoting those type of offers and stuff like that unless they're actually going to get a free iPhone, 100% guaranteed. Don't promote it as such, right? Have a chance to win an iPhone. Boom, that's a completely different thing. People are going to go into that with a completely different mindset versus you just saying, oh, you're going to win a free iPhone. Enter your email to win a free iPhone, right? If you say enter to win, enter your email and have a chance to win a free iPhone, people aren't going to go in expecting, oh, okay, I'm going to get a free iPhone. Now, obviously, you're going to get some people, whatever. But I mean, for the most part, people aren't going to go into like, oh, yeah, I'm going to get a guaranteed iPhone. Oh, I needed a new iPhone. I can't wait. I can't wait till it comes in the mail and stuff like that, right? It's a chance to win. All right. So I'm telling you guys, just test. Very important. Also, stay out to making money online. Again, I can almost 100% guarantee you, if you're having problems, you're into making money online niche. There are going to be very few people that are not into making money online niche that are having problems with conversions. Very few people. All right. But that is pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below. This is like my millionth time trying to make this video here. I kept getting cut off and I forgot to close the window. And I still didn't close the damn window. So, probably with some background noise or whatever. But yeah, just a bunch of stuff going on here. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And again, if you got questions, just simply drop them down below.